Hello guys. What? Okay. I don't know why she's like that. Okay, time to ride the slide.
Tayong headlight washer here, which is very rare na sa mga sasakyan ngayon. And yeah, meron din tayong pole type antenna here. So yun lang naman guys, lipat na tayo sa side profile. Here naman,
Only one
sa
egg.
ating side profile,
Seriously?
we have gloss black here sa ating 8 pillars. And pagdating naman sa ating side mirror, combination na sa ng gloss black and
Boom.
meron din tayong side camera and blind
Boom.
spot monitor. And as you can see naman guys, yung ating side mirror
Why do I
is
hear something?
auto fold and power adjust. And for our wheel size naman guys, we have here 235/60R70. And kung mapapansin nyo
We
yung
going
ating
down the side again.
Stone tayo here. We have gloss black and glossy silver design. For our braking system naman, we have all this brake. And for our suspension naman, we
Okay,
have
one
bumper
more.
sa harap and multi-link naman sa ating likod.
Okay, what
And
that
kung
one?
mapapansin nyo guys, yung design natin, meron pa rin tayong two-tone here. And meron din
2
tayong
minutes.
chrome design. And speaking of chrome na din yung ating door handle,
Okay,
which
next.
is smart antenna. And here's our key fob. So we have lock
Where
and
did this
unlock
thing
here.
come from?
And also meron din tayong power sliding door. So
Did our
para
pillow just
ma-open
turn
natin
into a
yung
plushie?
sliding door, i-hold lang
I hope
natin.
not. Oh wait, I forgot.
Ayan. So, hindi na tayo mahihirapan sa, diba? Hindi siya mabigat. And kung isasara natin siya, ganito lang siya, guys. Automatic na din siya may sasara. Perfect.
Oh
And kung
wait.
mapapansin nyo guys, ayan, napakalaki ng ating windows here. Ayan, kaso lang hindi siya pwedeng i-open kasi full glass lang siya. So, naka-green glass
Okay.
tayo here. So, nakakabawas siya ng UV rays or yung sinag ng araw pag tumakas sa atin. Also, yan.
I see the hammer.
Mapapansin nyo, diba?
Gimme.
Napakalaki ng ating van here. And for that, let's
Yo,
check
what
naman yung ating
is this?
dimension. And for our dimension, we have 5,300 by 1,970 by 1,990 millimeters, 3,210 millimeter wheelbase, and
I hope I don't see Nani in the elevator. Run in.
Here naman, core body sa ating rear end, kung mapapansin nyo, elegant pa din yung ating design.
Laughter is
sa
the
harap.
best medicine to make sure you smile.
And napaka-wide ng body niya. Simulan naman natin
Yeah,
dito
wide.
sa taas. And we have our spoiler here, wipers, and also yung ating third brake light, and yung ating defoggers. Ayan, hindi pa rin mawawala yung ating chrome.
Oh, why is my drone so dumb?
Chrome design dito sa ating area. So, pagdating naman sa ating
Oh, I
tail
need
lights,
to.
car bodies, LED na siya, and we have our turn
Okay.
signal here na naka-ano
Now
din.
come here
While
with the
yung ating
drone.
brake light and reverse light is naka-LED. And sa ating lower bumper naman, meron tayong 4-eye sensors here, and sa ilalim yung ating spare tire na naka-full
Okay,
size
how
with
dumb
one.
is my drone?
And dito naman, meron tayong 2 cameras here. Ayan, yung isa is for
Someone
reverse
singing
camera,
down there?
and yung isa naman is for digital rear view mirror.
Boy, I hope
So,
not.
open na natin guys, and let's check. So, ayun guys.
Oh, my screen is blurry.
And, uy,
What's my color?
ang taas.
Yours is white.
Ito naman yung
The
itsura ng
other one
ating
is
last
some.
row kapag nakataas na
Oh, I
tayo.
thought I
And kung mapapansin nyo, diba,
accidentally did it wrong.
dito, kaya wala tayong masyadong space. So, kung gusto nyo
Okay,
maglagay ng mga gamit,
next.
meron naman tayong space dito sa ilalim ng ating upuan. And if you need more pa, pwede naman natin i-fold yung ating seats here. So, yan, 50-50 yung ating folding here. So, para naman i-fold yung ating seat here, kailangan natin tanggalin yung ating
Okay,
headrest.
finally.
Also, meron din tayong guides dito. Ayan. So, para mabilis, mamagican ko na lang guys.
Oh, phew, I thought I'm gonna die.
So, ayan guys. Medyo mas
Run
malawak
in.
na yung ating
How many?
space here, and
Oh,
marami
wait,
na tayong items.
did not die.
Also,
I did not die.
Madali lang din
And why do I hear like some singing?
Hindi naman masyadong mataas yung ating load.
Okay.
The only amenities we have here is yung ating cargo line. So, ayun lang naman, car buddies. So, sara na natin. And before we end,
Okay, I hope that.
our safety features.
Okay, we need to go to that elevator.
Standard Super Gallia and the availability of ESS or Toyota Safety Sense, which includes pre-collision system,
Open.
auto high beam, adaptive cruise control,
Move.
blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360 camera. We also have other safety features includes ABS with brake assist, stability control, hill start assist, speed sensing door lock, 7 SRS airbags, and front and rear sensors. And that's all for buddies. Tawagin na natin
My drone is
for
stuck.
the interior.
What thoughts here? Huh? Is there a visible wall? Huh? What is wrong? I don't see anything. Hello, is anybody there? Okay, finally. Can I get in now?
Plastic, pero dito naman sa part na sa gitna and dito sa armrest is naka soft material surge shock.
Okay,
Ang maganda here is